Have you noticed little sand-like granules in your gutters or at the bottom of your downspouts? Could that be a sign that your roof is breaking down? And if so, what does that mean for your home's protection? In this video, we'll explain what granular retention is, why it matters, and what it can tell you about the age of your roof. By the end of this video, you'll know whether your shingles are performing as they should, or if it's time to take the next step in the roof process. Hi, I'm Tanner with Hoel Roofing. When I do my inspections, I'm always sure to educate my clients on granular retention. The granules are the first line of defense against the weather and the elements, and it's what gives it the color and it gives it the performance to keep everything working the way it's supposed to. There are signs that you can see that you're losing granules. You may find them in your gutters or at the bottom of your downspouts. Or you may look up and see some shiny spots or some corners where it's missing or even fading. These are all signs that your shingles are maybe past their prime and may not be performing like they're supposed to. And then we may need to discuss replacing them. That way your home's protected the way it should be. All right, so some reasons that your shingles lose their granules could be poor manufacturing, extreme weather, a lot of foot traffic on your roof, but most normally it's just normal wear and tear on your roof from age. The constant expansion and contraction of the shingles during the extreme weather events, the hot and cold that we have here in Indiana. Another thing that you need to look into where you can remedy this is your shingle options. You can go with the oxidized asphalt or you can go with the SBS-modified asphalt. This is where it is mixed with the rubber to where it gives it a little more malleable, it's a little more bendable. The granules actually sit deeper in the SBS shingles than they do the regular oxidized asphalt, which lets them retain them longer. So there are benefits you can do by getting the more expensive shingle because it'll give you those extra benefits and it will hold the granules longer. So if you have an area where you see a lot of loss, you might want to think about upgrading to an SBS shingle to help you out in the future. So a little further explanation of the oxidized asphalt. It's not malleable, it's stiff, it has a lot less movement, so it won't hold on as hard as the granules as the SBS. And with the oxidized asphalt, it is harder, so the actual granule doesn't sit as deep down in it as it does on an SBS shingle. So that's a couple of the downsides of the oxidized compared to the SBS. And so the other aspect between the oxidized and the SBS shingles are their warranty and lifespan. Usually regular oxidized asphalt shingles go about a 15 to 20 year lifespan, where the SBS go more 25 to 35 years. And that's really the extra benefit that's worth every penny when you choose that SBS shingle brand. There are some important telltale signs that your roof is losing granules. One of the first ones, if you see the little sand-like granules in your gutters or at the bottom of your downspouts, that's a dead giveaway. The others can be a bald spot where you maybe see a little shine where the fiberglass asphalt matting is exposed, where the granules will completely come off. Another one is discoloration. If they're faded, they're not the same color that they were when you put them on. In more cases than others, they've fallen off and they just don't have the performance that they did when they put on. And all those come from the extreme weather in the area, the expansion and contraction, and all the other things that can factor into the granule loss. All right, so a question I get from homeowners is, can the granular retention be repaired? And the answer is no. There's no way you can repair that or replace it. You have to come with a new shingle. So your best bet is to remove those and replace it with a new shingle, possibly an SBS, that will serve you better in the future with your granular retention. So in even the cases when granular loss is concentrated into one high traffic area, we can replace those shingles, but you will still have a contrast to the normal color on your roof, the original color. They won't match, there'll be a fading difference. And if you have them losing that much in that one area, then there's a good chance it's been lost on the other areas of the roof as well, and it's not far behind that high traffic area. So just be aware, if you did just replace that area, it will contrast the rest of the roof, it will stick out. So if you're to that point with your granule loss, you really need to consider just replacing the whole roof. Granule retention may sound technical, but it's one of the biggest indicators of your roof's long-term health. If you're seeing granules pile up or seeing bare spots on your shingles, please don't ignore it. Check out the article link below for more information or schedule a no-pressure inspection with our team. Call us at 765-561-4023. That way you can find out where your roof really stands.